Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone in Tango. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Tango application. Click on your profile in the top left corner. Go to Privacy option. Then tap on Blocked Users option. Here you can see the account that you had blocked earlier. Tap on the Unblock button. And if you're sure, click on the Unblock option once again. So that is how you can unblock someone in Tango. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.